Hello children, I am Priyanka Goel, your English teacher. Today we will continue the same story, The Dragon Rock. Before continue the further story, let's recall the story that I told you in my previous session. So, there was a village in a valley which was cluttered with big trees and thick grass. People in a valley, they all were hardworking and they were happy. But once a particular summer had been a very hot and dry. There were no rains for a long time. There was a huge rock of dragon shape in that village, and people believe that it is not just a rock, it is a real dragon and it will help them in bringing the rain. But as the time was passing by, people were losing hope. But children had strong belief that children used to say that the dragon would definitely help them. They collected faded flowers. All the boys and girls placed bunches of flowers around the dragon in a big circle. They danced around it, skipping and chanting the rhymes like that. In times of trouble, the dragon will wake and free the village by making a lake. See children, in the picture, children are putting petals and flowers in a circle. They all are skipping and dancing and singing rhymes. Okay? So that the dragon will wake up and it help them in such a situation. But the dragon didn't wake up. The severe hot made the children dizzy and fuzzy, and finally they all fell down. And children run in all directions. They shrieking and squealing and shouted with excitement. Look, look, run, run. Children, do you know what happened? Why they were running here and there? Why they were shouting with excitement? Children, the dragon raised its sleepy head and sat like a dog. It blinked and looked around with big long lashed eyes, and then its nostrils twisted and quivered. Achoo! The sneeze blasted from the dragon like a rocket. See, the dragon sneezed and this sneeze blasted like a rocket, causing a whirlwind of dust. Achoo! The second blast split open the dry earth, sending explosion of soil and the tree's roots high into the sky. See, high into the sky. The tree roots, they are going up high in the sky. And what happened then? Then people heard a tinkling melodious sound, and their eyes widened in wonder. Their smiles turned into yahoos and hurrays, because water, cold and clear spring water, was trickling and roaring along the valley floor. Then the dragon lumbered. Lumbered means to move slowly, walk slowly. So the dragon walked slowly with grace and style, and it disappeared into cool dark water. And then people never saw him again. People made a bandstand and a monument in the spot where the dragon used to lie. Every year, to celebrate the occasion, they would bring garlands of flower and arrange them in a big circle. The children have the day off for Water Dragon Day. Wearing the dragon mask, they would skip and clap and sing, The dragon helped us as we said he would do. Hooray for the dragon! Achoo! 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 And this is the end of the story. Children, I hope you enjoyed the story. Bye bye. Have a nice day.